Hi, so you've got it all figured out, right? Well, I don't. I sure don't. I was just trying to find a spot to shoot this video, and it's like, that's our old Christmas tree. It's like a mess everywhere. I had to find this like tiny little spot within our living room where I can actually shoot a video, and it still looks kind of professional. So, I have really been thinking a lot about work-life balance in the past few weeks with this new year ahead of us. How do you manage that? So I'm a mom. We have 3 young children. And me and my husband both work a lot. I have my own company. I do a lot in video strategy, video training, which means I am on the road a lot. And it's just a lot of work. And so I have found learned a few lessons along the way in the past year, which I love to share with you. But I also think I am not the expert, right? So let's not pretend that I know everything, because I don't. But I would love to talk to people who do have some really good advice. And so I'm launching this new series in which hopefully I will talk to a bunch of you guys. I would like to video interview people. So if you know anyone, please tag them below. And I would like to talk to you, or perhaps someone you know, about how you handle a professional life. So whether you run your own business or whether you have a really busy job, and also have a good, normal, private social life, you know. I think it's all about staying in balance. So if you know of anyone that I should talk to, please tag them below, and I will release the videos in the next few weeks. Thanks so much for helping out. Bye.